What's going on, guys? Tyler here with Random Automotive. Sorry about the darkness. It gets darker and darker earlier these days. I'm going to show you how to manually adjust your blend door actuator on your 94 through 98 Dodge Ram 1500, 2500, 3500. This is for the ones that have the cable system rather than electronic actuator. Usually 99 through 01 has those, and it seems like I could not find a video on how to adjust the manual cable one. So let's show you how to do it. So as you can see in here, it looks like somebody's replaced the heater core and they've put tape over it. That's not the right thing to do. But you're going to want to remove your glove box. How to remove it is there's tabs on each side. You just push this in and it'll come out like in the Jeep video. If you haven't seen it, go watch there and that'll show you too. Just be careful with the plastic because it's very brittle on these old Dodges. If you own one, you know. This was cut at the top part, but there would be an opening somewhere right in there, and it should be that way on all trucks, to where you can see the cable and the actuator itself. So the cables come off in this case, and if you look far enough back in there, I don't know if you can see it, but the part that attaches to the cable is way back off in there. So the solution to this is, and this is a video basically to show you how to do it in an emergency if your heat's blowing cold and it's cold out, or vice versa. This isn't a permanent fix. You can take some needle nose pliers and grab that bar right there and adjust it. I'm going to show you what I did. Hang on one second. So what you want to do in this case, I have some locking clamps here. Now I know not everybody has these sitting around, but like I said, needle nose pliers will work too. You'll grab it and you'll turn it. And you hear that rubbing sound as the actual actuator in there turning. So what you'll want to do is start the truck up with the clamp on there, turn the heat on, make sure the truck's nice and warm. But now I know you won't have all this tape here, but watch out for this metal piece up here, because that's going to be hot if your heater core is working properly, and some components in here may be hot, so just be careful. Once your truck's warmed up, feel the vents. If they're blowing cold, take your clamp or your needle nose pliers and turn it until you get hot, and then just release it and put it back together. It's as simple as that. If you have any questions, be sure to leave them down in the comments. If this video helped you at all, please be sure to like it and subscribe to the channel. We'll have more in the future. Thanks, guys.